Hi dears! So in today's video I'm going to show you a little bit where I vlogged as I headed around town to different places that I thought were pretty cool. They are places that are located in Florida. I was vacationing and I decided to go and check out some of these cool places. These are more or less recommendations or like places that I vlogged about that you can wear Lolita at that feel really cool, like you feel very much like you're just part of the scene, part of the element, and they're just very appropriate for it. So these are things that like you can go and visit and chill, and you don't need to be going to like, you don't have to have like a meetup or anything like that there. So let's get into it. First stop was a food place. Now, whether or not you can wear Lolita there, I mean, it's really up to you. I did get people looking at me kind of weird because it wasn't my end destination. I'll show you guys some clips from that.
Hey people, so we're gonna go eat at this place called Leguminati. It's supposed to be vegan. We were looking for a place that had breakfast food, and so it's kind of like appropriately themed with the whole like everything I like. We circled around 100 times trying to find it, but it's like looks like it's in the coffee shop. So we're gonna go and check that out, and I'll let you know how it is. Okay, so I ordered a lavender coconut tea. I'm gonna try it. And it's got caffeine in it, so I'm not gonna be able to drink all of it, but yeah, I thought I'd try it. I ordered it hot, of course. Yeah, they have no added sugar in there.
Thank you.
It tastes really good. It smells really good. If you smell that. I brought some stuff from it, but it's I like it. So this is what I ordered with my tea. It was a vegan tofu egg scramble breakfast wrap sandwich. It was really good.
Place we went on over to was the Oxford Exchange, and it's very pretty. It's you can make reservations and get a really good like brunch there if you want. There's also really good spots you can get for photos because they have an area that's downstairs where the tea is, and there's just all these awesome spots with like old couches and big egg chairs, and you can take really pretty like dolly-like photos there. The other good place that you can get for photos is the bathroom and then also the stairs.
So here's an example of a good bathroom picture you can get, and also here's a good shot I got on the stairs.
The entire building is absolutely gorgeous. It's very cute. I think if you wanted to go there, do a meetup and get be awesome, but it's also just great to go there with your boyfriend or whatever, or go on your, off day and just chill there. It's really, really cool.
So this is the front area where they have the glasses shop, and they also have a bookstore. I thought that was really cool. And then when you go down that hallway, that's where you can go get tea and get the brunch and things like that. And there's also a gift shop down there. This is the upstairs area. They mainly have like business offices and places for you to plug your computer in for like Wi-Fi and things like that, but you can get a really good view of the entire building and everything they have from the upper area, so that's why I decided to film both upper and lower area so you guys could see everything. Right here's the stairs. This is the other really good spot for photos. It's usually not crowded, so you can get some pretty good ones right there. Next we have the gift shop. I decided just to film this really cool candle display. I thought it was appropriate for the Halloween season, but the entire gift shop has some really cool stuff to check out.
The last place that I went to that I really highly recommend for any Lolitas if you're hitting up the Florida area or if you're even nearby would be the SpookEasy. So this opened, it's only been open for about a year, but luckily it is not a pop-up shop. I made sure I asked. I was concerned that the SpookEasy would only be open a few months around the Halloween season, and they told me that they're open year-round. So regardless of where you're from, I definitely recommend if you're hitting up Florida, check out the SpookEasy. SpookEasy is like a speakeasy. When you go there, like they basically say on the website where you can find them, they have a 1 drink minimum just so you know before you go there. I didn't think I'd see another Lolita there because what's the chance, right? But there was another Lolita there. She was dressed in Sweet Lolita, and they were actually sitting like like not too far behind us. Somehow I didn't see them when I walked in, but I saw them. My boyfriend pointed them out, and I was like, oh my gosh, there's more Lolitas here. I think they had just finished going to the SpookEasy, and right when I was heading over, like to go in, I guess it's already kind of a hot spot. Lolitas are talking about it. But, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a little clip of when I went in there.
So we decided to eat first. We're eating, but after we eat, it's right up there, right past the bookshelf. So I'm pretty stoked. So here we are heading up the steps to the SpookEasy. I haven't been like this stoked for something since probably I was a kid. It's very Haunted Mansion-esque, like you would see at Disney, but a little bit more mature. Unfortunately, my camera is not great in dark lighting, so I switched over to Gabe's camera so I can actually film the rest of the SpookEasy. So the overall feel of the SpookEasy is exactly what you would want from a place like this. It's very chill and laid back. We also quickly realized that it is also a lounge, and on Wednesday nights they do open mic nights where they do live poetry reading and also live music. The next thing we did was we also looked at the tea menu. I decided to just get a simple peppermint chamomile herbal blend, but they do let you choose a few different flavors if you want to mix and match, and it kind of feels like you're doing potions that way. And if you're interested in getting that, they have 3 different types: a green, a red, and a white, appropriately named Frankenstein's Monster, Vampire Blood, and White Witch. They were pretty good. I only tried a sip of it, but I can see how it gives you a relaxing kind of euphoric effect.
I'd like to go back there again. I have my own music that I've been working on. I just bought a MIDI keyboard. I'm hoping I can figure out how to use it, and maybe I can bring that and just be able to hook it up to sound systems or buy a small amp and bring that. And then I'm hoping to actually perform, like do like a gig there. So we do open mic night and that goes well. Then they do gig nights on Fridays, and I would love to be able to do that, but it's just a matter of getting out there because it's not particularly super close. So I highly recommend these places. I hope you enjoy my little clips from vlogging it. I didn't vlog a ton of it. I just went ahead and did some brief overviews showing you guys what it looks like. I'm pretty new to vlogging, so if you guys like this kind of stuff, just let me know and I will be looking at doing more vlogging. This is only like my 3rd try at it, and this is probably the first time I've actually tried to edit and get the video out on time, because I also vlogged MegaCon, and I also vlogged, there were some places down in Miami that were really, really pretty for Lolita for photos, but kind of tricky piecing the videos together. So I'm going to be learning, like teaching myself how to do that and taking my time with it. Last but not least, if you're new to my channel and you haven't heard of it yet, I have a comic that I've released. If you're into Lolita fashion and you want to read something, I have the perfect thing. This is called Dark Tales of Lolita. I really feel like it's perfect, especially for the Halloween season. And Dark Tales of Lolita is actually on sale right now. I put it on sale for the entire month of October. So if you want to go ahead and get volume 1 of Dark Tales of Lolita, go ahead and look it up on Amazon. You can go and purchase it there.
Thank you guys for watching, and since I forgot to film an outro, you can just enjoy me singing at the SpookEasy, and have a great day, guys. Give me reasons we should be complete. You should be with him, I can't compete. You looked at me like I was someone else. Oh well, can't you see? I don't wanna slow dance in the dark. When you gotta run, just hear my voice and you shutting me out of you, doing so great. You used to be the one to hold me when you fall. I don't fuck with your tone, I don't wanna go home. Can it be one night? Can you
Give me reasons we should be complete.